Hi, my name is Sara Swentik and I am an independent consultant with Paparazzi Accessories, and I wanted to show you today how I merchandise and display my jewelry on my pegboards. Each of my pegboard sections is 2 feet across by 4 feet tall, and I have earrings, bracelets, and short necklaces and long necklaces displayed on each. I hang them from a curtain rod that we purchased from IKEA that is anchored to the wall. And then to display the jewelry, I use the locking peg hooks, Locking J peg hooks from wallpegstore.com. I hang my boards from the curtain rod with stainless steel S hooks that I bought from Amazon. They are pot hanger hooks, so they are made to carry a significant amount of weight, and that way I don't have to worry about the hooks bending under the weight of the jewelry and the pegboard. Each of my hooks are spaced evenly. That way they create the illusion of rows across and they look very clean. I try to hang short earrings or post earrings from the top on the top row, and then the next row would have a medium length earring and a longer length earring. I have an entire row of bracelets, short necklaces, and then long necklaces. On the first row, because it's the smallest, I have 2 open peg hooks and then a locking J hook. On the second row, which has medium earrings, I have 3 open peg holes. And then on the third row, I have 4 open peg holes for the longer earrings. This enables me to display a large amount of earrings. My customers love earrings. And you can always change this up. So if your customers prefer bracelets or shorter necklaces, you can change the amount of rows you have of each product to suit what your customers prefer. On the bracelet row, I have bracelets that go all the way across, and I have 5 open peg hooks, or open peg holes. On the short necklaces, we have 11. It may be that you don't need 11 open peg holes for some of the short necklaces, but other ones are going to be a little bit longer, so that kind of leaves enough space for even the longer necklaces, the short necklaces that tend to be a little bit longer. And then I have long necklaces on the bottom. Still, all of my peg hooks are in a row, and those tend to hang down freely past the end of my pegboard. I like to colorize everything. I feel that customers appreciate that. That's how I would like to shop if given the opportunity. It's very easy to keep things organized. If I am at an event and I sell an item and I have an open hole here, I know exactly what I need to fill. I know that this spot is for a copper earring, so I know that I need to go to my back stock at my event and fill it with a copper earring. That makes things very easy. I tend to have the same amount for each color on my pegboards. So I have 4 rows of copper, 4 rows of silver. And again, I find that's very easy for customers. If they want silver earrings, I can direct them right to the area where the silver is, and then they can choose from what I have available there. It also makes it easier for the customer to purchase a matching set. If they want a silver earring that matches a silver necklace, everything is all in one location, as opposed to having to look down various parts of my display. So it's very customer friendly, very shopper friendly, and I tend to increase my sales that way because people can combine and buy sets. I will do another video that shows how I colorize my boards. I have everything kind of in, I guess, a rainbow color, but again, very easy for the customers to shop if they know they need a certain item or have a certain outfit that they need something to accessorize with and know exactly what they're looking for. Okay? Thanks for watching me. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and make sure your post notifications are on so you can see any other videos that I upload. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.